students of class 11. My dear students, today I am going to start a new topic in set theory, and that new topic is relations. My dear students, before discussing the topic relation, we have to know some basic terms like ordered pair and the Cartesian product. My dear students, please remember that the ordered pair is written in this way: A comma B. The meaning of the ordered pair is what? It means ordered pair consists of two objects like this, or elements in a given fixed order. It is written in this way. My dear students, if it is given that A comma B is equal to C comma D, means these two ordered pairs are equal to each other. This is possible only when A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Now try to understand the meaning of Cartesian product. My dear student, Cartesian product is denoted in this way. This is the Cartesian product between the set A and the set B. See here, let A and B be any two non-empty sets. Let us suppose that A and B be any two non-empty sets. The set of all ordered pairs A comma B. The set of all ordered pairs A comma B such that small a belongs to capital A and small b belongs to capital B is called Cartesian product of the sets A and B and is denoted by A cross B. So try to understand, my dear student, if this is set A, 1 comma 2 is the set A and B is another set which consists the elements 3 comma 4, then the Cartesian product between A and B, you can see here, dear students, that cardinal number of set A is 2 because here you can see two elements are present, and the cardinal number of set B is also equal to 2 because you can see here two elements are present. Cartesian product between A and B denoted by the cross. A cross B is what? We have to write in ordered pair 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, after that 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4. Okay, it means what? My dear students, if A cross B is equal to X comma Y, okay, try to understand what is the meaning of this. If A cross B is equal to X comma Y, implies that X belongs to capital A and X belongs to capital B. Sorry, Y belongs to capital B. Means, in case of A cross B, means the Cartesian product between A and B is represented by the ordered pairs, and the condition is what? The first element belongs to A and the second element belongs to B. यानी जब आप कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट करेंगे दो सेट्स के बीच में, तो जो सेट पहले लिखा हुआ उसका एलिमेंट पहले लिखेंगे एंड जो सेट बाद में लिखा हुआ उसका एलिमेंट बाद में लिखेंगे. यू कैन सी हियर 1 3 बिकॉज A क्रॉस B कर रहा हूं तो पहला एलिमेंट किसका आएगा? A का. 1 3, देन 1 4, देन 2 3, देन 2 4. This is the required answer of A cross B. But if the question is that find the Cartesian product between B and A, then first we have to write the element of B and after that the element of A. So this is just the reverse of A cross B. Means we can write it as 3 comma 1, just उल्टा कर दीजिए, 4 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2. Means अगर B cross A दे रखा है, means the Cartesian product between B and A. Now the first element of the ordered pair must belong to the set B, and the second element of the ordered pair must belong to set A. You can see here the first element 3 4, okay, belongs to what? B, and the second element that is 1 and 2 belongs to set A. यानी जब भी आप कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट करेंगे, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इन दिस प्रॉब्लम A क्रॉस B मींस कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट बिटवीन A एंड B मींस पहला आप एलिमेंट A का लिखेंगे उसके बाद B का लिखेंगे. नाउ डियर स्टूडेंट्स, Come to the next concept. If cardinal number of set A is equal to m and cardinal number of set B is equal to n, means number of elements present in set A is m and the number of elements present in set B is n, then what is the cardinal number of A cross B? What is the cardinal number of A cross B? इसका मतलब A cross B में कितने ordered pairs आएंगे? Cardinal number of A cross B is what? Cardinal number of A multiplied with cardinal number of B. Now you can see this example. Here you can see the set A consists 2 elements, means cardinal number of set A is what? 2, and here cardinal number of set B is what? Cardinal number of set B is what? 2. So cardinal number of A cross B is what? 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Cardinal number of A cross B में कुल ordered pairs कितने आएंगे? 4. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you understood well. One more thing I want to tell you. If there is a set A and B is another set, if any one of the following sets, any one set is an infinite set, means A और B दो सेट दे रखे हैं और उनमें से कोई एक सेट इनफाइनाइट सेट है, then cardinal then A cross B, you can see here, if either A or B is an infinite set, then A cross B, कहने का मतलब ये है कि A और B दो सेट हैं, इनके बीच में से कोई एक सेट इनफाइनाइट सेट है तो A cross B भी इनफाइनाइट आएगा. Okay, now I am going to explain some problems related to ordered pair and the Cartesian product. See the problems very carefully. Now see question number first. Here you can see ordered pairs are given. These two ordered pairs are equal to each other. Then find out the value of x and y. See solution number 1. What is given? X plus 3 comma 5 is equal to 6 comma 2x plus 1. These two ordered pairs are equal to each other. My dear students, I have already discussed that if these two ordered pairs are equal, then this is possible only when A is equal to C and B is equal to D, means this also. So this implies that x plus 3 is equal to what? You can see 6 implies that x is equal to what? 3. Okay? Also 5 is equal to what? X plus y. What is x? X is 3. So 3, 2. The value of y is. I hope you understood that. Now see the next problem. Problem number 2. In problem number 2, what is given? This is the ordered pair x square minus 5x plus 1 comma 5 is equal to minus 5 comma y square plus 4y. Okay. Now dear student, we have to apply the same concept as we have done in question number first. These two ordered pairs are equal, means x square minus 5x plus 1 is equal to minus 5. Implies that x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We can write it as x square minus 3x minus 2x by splitting the middle term plus 6 is equal to 0. Taking common x, taking common x, x minus 3 minus 2, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Implies that x minus 3, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Implies that x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. Now, we have to find out the value of y. Y square plus 4y is equal to what? 5. So we can write it as y square plus 5y minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Taking common y plus 5. Now taking common minus 1, y plus 5 is equal to 0. It can be written as y plus 5, y minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies that y is equal to negative 5 or y is equal to positive 1. I hope, dear students, you understood well. Now see the next problem. Next problem is what? In first two questions, the concept is what? Listen once again. The concept is whenever two ordered pairs are equal, then A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Now see the next one. Question number third is what? The set A is 1, 2, 3. Set A is 1, 2, 3. And the set B is what? 2, 4. In this problem, we have to find the Cartesian product between A and B and the Cartesian product between B and A. A और B का कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट निकाल लीजिए, उसका जस्ट उल्टा कर दीजिए, ये निकल कर आ जाएगा the Cartesian product between B and A. My dear student, we have already discussed that what is the meaning of Cartesian product between A and B. It means what? It means x comma y. It means x comma y such that x belongs to set A and and y belongs to set B. यानी जब आप कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट करेंगे दो सेट्स के बीच में, तो सबसे पहली बात तो यू हैव टू राइट इन ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. ऑर्डर्ड पेयर के रूप में आपको लिखना है. ऑर्डर्ड पेयर में भी आपको क्या ध्यान रखना है कि इफ सेट द पोजीशन ऑफ द सेट ए इज व्हाट, ये सबसे पहले लिखा गया है, तो सबसे पहले आप सेट ए का एलिमेंट लिखेंगे. पोजीशन ऑफ द सेट बी सेकंड पोजीशन है, तो सेकंड पोजीशन पर आप क्या लिखेंगे? सेट बी का एलिमेंट लिखेंगे. ओके, नाउ सी द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द गिवन प्रॉब्लम. द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट बिटवीन ए एंड बी, दैट इज 1, 2, 3 cross with what? 2, 4. It can be written as, we have to write in order pair. 1, 2 means first set must belong to the set A. First element must belong to the set A, and the second element belongs to the set B. 1, 2. 1, 4. 2, 2. 2, 4. Okay, then 3, 2. Then what? 3, 4. Okay? I hope you understood well. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. Now see, what is B cross A means what is the Cartesian product between B and A. If we know the Cartesian product between A and B के बीच में आप Cartesian product जानते हैं, तो you can easily write the solution of the Cartesian product between B and A. Just इसका reverse लिख दीजिए आप. Means now the first element must belong to the set B and the second element must belong to the set A. Just इसका उल्टा. 1, 2 की जगह क्या लिख दीजिए? 2, 1. In place of 1, 4 we have to write 4, 1. This is same 2, 2. Then 2, 4 we have to write 4, 2. In place of 3, 2 you write 2, 3. And in place of 3, 4 you have to write 4, 3. Okay? आपको अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गया होगा. Now my dear students, I want to tell you once again कि if cardinal number of set A is n and the cardinal number of set B is n, then what is the cardinal number of A cross B? This is what? This is equal to cardinal number of set A into cardinal number of set B. Here you can see the set A consists 3 elements and the set B consists 2 elements. 3 elements here and 2 elements here. 3 2 6 means total number of ordered pairs कितने होंगे यहाँ? 6. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here also 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay? I hope you understood well. Now see the next problem. Next problem is what? Question number 4. Set A 1 2 3. Set B is what? X such that x belongs to the natural number. X such that x belongs to natural number. Okay? X is prime. This is also a condition that x must be prime and less than 5. So the prime number which is less than 5 is what? 2 and 3. Now we have to find A cross B, means the Cartesian product between A and B. Now the Cartesian product between A and B is what? First element must belongs to the set A and the second element belongs to the set B. 1 2 1 2 1 3 1 3 2 2 2 3 then 3 2 and 3 3. Okay? Now see the next problem. Question number 5. Here it is given the set A is 1 2. Set A is 1 2. We have to find A cross A cross A. Okay, no problem. To find the Cartesian product between the 3 sets, first find the Cartesian product between the 2 sets. So see, A cross A means 1 comma 2 cross 1 comma 2. We obtain what? 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. This is what? This is A cross A. Now A cross A cross A. First write A cross A. So this is A cross A. 1 1 1 2 2 1 and 2 2. Okay? Cross with what? A. A is 1 2. Now see, this is what? First write the ordered pair which belongs to A cross A. So that is 1 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1 1 2 2 1. Okay, now 1 1 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 and in last 2 2 2. Okay? Now dear students, I want to tell you one more concept. If cardinal number of A, the set A is P The cardinal number of set B is Q and the cardinal number of set C is R. Then what is the cardinal number of A cross B cross C? This is equal to cardinal number of A means B into Q into R. You can see here set A consists two elements. Again set A consists two elements. Again set A consists two elements means 2, 2, 2. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hope you understood well what I want to say. Now see the next problem. Set A, question number 6. Is what? A comma B such that 2A plus B is equal to 5. A comma B belongs to W. We have to write this set as a set of ordered pairs. See, A and B must belongs to W, means the whole number. अब खुद बुद्धि लगाओ. Directly, you can write the answer directly. 2A plus B. 2A plus B must be equal to 5. And A and B must belongs to whole number. My dear student, if A is 0, A is 0, then B is what? 5. To satisfy this equation, B is 5. Because you can see 2 into 0 is 0, B 5 रखेंगे तभी ये 5 के बराबर है. Next 1 रखिए A की जगह. 2 1 या 2, then B is what? 3. 2 रखिए इसकी जगह. 2 2 जा 4 and 1. So this is the right answer. Now see the next problem. Now see question number 7. My dear student, solution of question number 7. Here A cross B is given, means the Cartesian product between the set A and B is already given, which is A comma 1, B comma 3 and A comma 3, then B comma 1 and then A comma 2, then B comma 2. This is the Cartesian product between A and B. Find A and B. So my dear student, I have already told you the meaning of the Cartesian product between A and B. What does this mean? It means the first element of the ordered pair, or you can say the first component of the ordered pair must belongs to the set A. Means all the first components belongs to the set A. So from this we conclude that set A is equal to A, B. A again, repetition of elements is not allowed in the set. B, A, B. So this is set A. And the set B is 1, 3, 2. And you can check the answer. Here you can see the cardinal number of set A is 2 and the cardinal number of set B is 3. 2 and 3, 2, 3 is 6. I have already told you that if cardinal number of set A is 2 here, cardinal number of set B is what? 3 here. So what is the cardinal number of A cross B? Means the number of ordered pairs present in A cross B is what? 2 into 3, that is 6. Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you understood well what I want to say. Now see the next problem. Solution number 8. What is given? A and B be the two sets. A and B be the two sets. Okay? Such that the Cartesian product between A and B, that is A cross B, consists 6 elements. Means cardinal number of A cross B is 6 if 3 elements of A cross B, 3 elements of A cross B are this one. These are the three elements of A cross B. Then find A cross B. My dear student, to find A cross B, we have to know the set A and the set B separately. So we can find the set A and set B separately with the help of given information. From this information, we come to know that set A is 1, 2, 3, and set B is what? 4, 6. Okay? Then what is A cross B? A cross B means the first component must belong to the set A and the second component must belong to the set B of the order pair. So 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 4, 2, 6, 3, 4, and 3, 6. Now my dear students, I hope that you understood well all the questions which I have taught you today. My dear students, I request you all to copy all these problems and the solutions in your fair copy. If you face any problem, then please contact me on my personal WhatsApp number and on the Google Classroom. Thank you very much.